Hello guys and welcome back to channel. In today's video we are going to talk about project that's called ZKP, which stands for Zero Knowledge Proof. So today we're going to break down how this project works, what is actually ZKP or Zero Knowledge Proof, and I'm going to show you the massive giveaway which is happening right now. A quick disclaimer before you check ZKP that this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do not big research before thinking to invest in any crypto project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is your official website, and by scrolling down first thing you can see the pre-sale is live. You can see with a lot of things that you can buy this coin like Ethereum, USDT, Binance, also Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay or Apple Pay, which is really good thing to know. Also you can see they have raised over 1.6 million, which is really amazing thing to know. You can see yesterday price of the coin was 0.301 and you can see the expected launch price is going to be 0.20121, which is really massive jump to know. So what is actually zero knowledge proof? So ZKP represents itself as a layer 1 blockchain built around zero knowledge proof. So it's a strong focus on privacy, preserving AI infrastructure. So the core idea behind zero knowledge proof is simple but very powerful. So you can see you can prove that something is true without revealing the underlying data. Also in the context of ZKP, this means AI models, data and computations can be verified on chain, which is really good thing to know. And while the actual inputs stay private, which is really good for people who want to stay in shadow, let's say like that. And according to the project, this is meant to solve one of the biggest problems in AI and Web3 space today: trust without exposure, which is a good thing to know. So ZKP is built around three main features. The first one is privacy. Data and AI models remain confidential. Verifiability, so every computation can be tracked on chain, which is a good thing to know, like I said. And also you have decentralization, so anyone can contribute compute power from anywhere, which is a good thing to know. So this combination is important because many current AI systems are either centralized or opaque or both, let's say like that. So ZKP's claims is that you don't have to choose between privacy and transparency, but you can have both through cryptographic proof, which is really good and huge thing to have right now. And now by scrolling down we can see one of their biggest partners, which are Dolphins. So if you're updated with rugby, you know that this team is really important stuff to know, because no team would have be partnered with anything that is not secure or good thing to know. So by scrolling down also you can see Web3 industry leader view on ZKP. So you can see one of the co-founder, Vitali, which is co-founder of Ethereum, said that ZKP is a technology that will ensure maximum privacy in the Web3 space today, which is really good thing to know for security or anyone else who want to stay updated with everything. So also by scrolling down, we can see it's built in a protest. So you can see this is bigger than just a blockchain. It's a protest in code. So you can see this is meaning there's no insiders, no syndicates, no secret allocations, just math, time and equal assets. So you can see this is really good thing to know, and you can read more about their manifesto right here on the orange button right here. And by scrolling down we can see that more people are talking about this right here. So you can see this is real people who have impact with the ZKP or they're powered by ZKP. You can see they're telling that this is really anomaly. They're really impressed with this technology, which is a good thing to know. And ZKP also includes a community verification system using on-chain badges. So you can see communities can register and receive access level badges such as we can see seed badge, growing badge and core badge. So these badges are meant to represent real influence and participation inside the ecosystem rather than just social hype. So the goal here seems to be measuring engagement transparency instead of relying on off-chain claims, which is a good thing to know. And one of the most unique aspects of ZKP is the use of the proof bot. So instead of just relying on traditional validators, ZKP uses physical computing devices called proof bots. So you can see this is actual devices, and these devices perform real compute tasks while the storage and generate cryptographic proofs for the network, which is a cool thing to know. So the idea here is that security comes from real world computation, not just virtual staking. So you can see ZKP describes this as a hybrid approach that combines proof of intelligence and proof of space, which is a really good thing to see. So rather than just relying on a single consensus model. So you can see this approach is meant to align incentives with actual work being done, especially for AI related tasks, which is really good thing in nowadays because AI is developing really fast. And right here you can see everything that you need to know about this pod. So you can see price per device is $249. We can see live stats preview. You have 300 upgrades levels available. Also it is auto updated over Wi-Fi, which is good because I believe everyone have Wi-Fi in their house or homes. Also, we have upgrades for more earnings. Like I said, 300 upgrades levels are available, and mine is based on demand and yesterday coin price, which is a good thing to know, so you know what is happening every time. So this is how they say this is how the crypto pre-sale of 1010 gets done with hardware, not just hype. And also, ZKP does not describe its pre-sale as a traditional token sale. Instead, it uses a public on-chain action model. So here's how it works based on their publishing structure. So you can see up to 200 million ZKP tokens are available per day. Also, the auction runs for 24 hours rolling window. The price is determined by daily participations, and any used tokens from that day are burned. But going down, we can see more about this right here. And the total pre-sale pool is 90 billion ZKP, which represents 35% of the total supply. So right here, you can see according to the website, this structure is designed to avoid insider allocations and private deals. So participation on pricing are visible on chain, which is a good thing to know, so you can check everything that is happening in each moment, and which is where the fairless is programmed concept comes from. And right here you can see a few more things about real rewards, real hardware, and real partners. So you can see pod ship immediately, we can see no pre-orders or delays, we can see daily action pricing, so you can see transparent and fair. We can see official partners from day one, so you can see the zero knowledge proofs, the bots with real world activation, and also you can see proof of intelligence plus proof of space like we said before. So you can see hybrid consensus, which is a good thing to have right now. Also you can see run AMV plus where smart contracts, so you can see it's built for devs, and you can see it's built in marketplace, so it's meaning real coin utility. It powers real data exchange, which is a good thing to see. And right here you can see what I told you about their actions. So on the top of the website, first you need to connect your wallet on the orange button right here. Also you have three options like today purchases, ZKP balance, and how many devices that you have. So if you scroll a little bit down, we can see join pre-sale action. You can see it's running for now for the next 7 hours and 18 minutes. Also, you can see, like I said, they have raised over 1.6 million. You can see they're close up to 2 million. We can see now coin allocation is 200 million ZKP in the day. We can see it's stage 1, but stage 2 is happening in the few days. I think about 2 days remaining for the next stage. So that is meaning the 17 defined phases are going across 450 days. You can see now it's day 58, so that's meaning stage 2 is coming, like I said, in 2 days. So that's meaning coin allocations for the second phase is going to be 190 million CKP coins per day. So it's meaning going to be tired by every phase, or let's say each phase. So that is meaning minimum of the coins that you can buy is $20. We can see maximum per participant per day is $50,000. Also, your allocation is determined by proportional contributions. There is just pure math and zero favoritism, so you can see it's no VCs, cutting in line, no insider allocations, and no whale dominance. And this is a massive giveaway that I told you before. We can see by scrolling down, we can see total entries just went over 50,000, which is really huge thing. So we can see it's running for the next 134 days. We can see, like I said, $5 million worth of ZKP. We can see that 10 lucky winners, so this meaning each one is going to get $500,000 worth of ZKP, or let's say $500,000. So by scrolling down, we can see how to participate in this right here. So you can see hold a minimum of $100 worth of ZKP. Follow ZKP on official social media channels. Also share the giveaway posts and refer your friends so you can multiply your chances to win, to be one of 10 lucky winners. And this is the official Twitter profile. You can see they just went over 10,000 followers. You can see they're really close up to 11,000 followers, which I believe they're going to hit it really soon. We can see they're joined on July of 2025, so that is meaning they're not here for the full 1 year. You can see they just went over half year on the Twitter. You can see for that period they made really a lot of followers, and you can see also for that period they made over 200 posts, which is really amazing thing to see. So because of that, we are going to drop a follow right now, which I recommend you to do also if you want to be, let's say, in giveaway, or just want to stay updated with everything that they're doing. And by scrolling down, we can see first thing that is posted or is pinned on the January 7th. We can see about their giveaway. So you can see they're showing you steps how to join this, how to be part of this giveaway, amount of winners, how much is everything going to get or each going to get. And you can see this post made over 40,000 impressions, which is really amazing and huge thing to see, because like I said, they're just new on social media, and we can see they're bringing a lot of attention with them. So we can see attention is following this project right now. So because of this, we're going to drop a like right now, And if you want to stay updated with everything that they're doing, I recommend you to join their social media and to check what is happening on that. And this is an official Telegram group. We can see right here they just went over 8,000 members. You can see this moment they have almost 250 online members. It's really amazing number of the active community in this moment. So you can see they're really rising on every social media. And I highly recommend you to join Telegram group because you can ask other people what they think about this project, about giveaway or anything else that is happening, like proof posts, what they're doing with that. Anyone who join action can stay updated with the action that is happening, how the phase is going up, the coins allocation that is moving, and anything else. So that wraps up our review of zero knowledge proof. If you found this breakdown helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop it on the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.